Morning folks, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and this is October the 31st, Halloween, Sunday, early morning. We finally got some good weather out here. It looks like it's about 70 degrees. This hive here's got a little fighting down there on the bottom still. But that's okay. Bees can deal with it. But we're going to go into this today and make sure that the queen is still in there. She's doing what she's supposed to do. And the bees that we put in there last week, could have been earlier this week, but that they're doing okay, and she's still laying and she's still alive. And hope y'all enjoy. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, give us a comment. Might as well go ahead and give us a thumbs up right now. Oh, need to put my glasses on so I can see the egg. We got sunshine today. First we've had in a long time. It's above 50 degrees, above 60 degrees, and sunshine, so the bees are out flying. We like it. Let's see, last time we were in here was on 26. We had eggs and larvae. There's a bumblebee bee. We put some frames in, or we got two frames in here, one for her to lay in and one that had brood and stuff on it, so we could build it up a little bit. Food dish, nothing on it. Let's start over here. Take their beetles cap off. No new beetles in there. Cold weather we had to kind of cut the beetles down a little bit. This frame here has nectar down here and pollen. This is honey, honey. And no bugs. We're gonna try to keep the robin down, so we're gonna take them out and put them right back in there. Got a few dead ones in, bees in here from the fight. This is nectar, this is honey, same thing on both sides. This one here is a super frame. Some people use it for brood, but I use it for supers. It's wax, it's store-bought wax that they're building out. They have nectar in here, and they're building this out. This side over here, they're building out a little bit. So they're doing the job, they're doing okay. Dog's over there watching the yard, guarding Daddy, make sure that nothing happens. This one here is the frame that we put in so she had something to lay on. I just see nectar in there. She's not laying any eggs. I think what we're going to do is turn it around facing the opposite direction. It's not a fat frame anymore. The reason I turned that around, on one side it had nectar and the other side it didn't have anything. So I put the frames that didn't have anything closer to the bees where she's laying. This one here has some capped brood, larvae. Eggs. Don't see the queen, but there's eggs in there. There's honey up here. Frames with nothing in it. Drones sell frames where they can lay in. There's eggs in here. There's capped brood and larvae. Larvae over here, eggs. I saw one beetle. Didn't pass the test. Same thing on both sides. This one. Has eggs, brood. This is the frame from the other hive that I put in there. There's queen. Right there. So she's been accepted by the other bees that we put in there. So we're just going to put it back in here. Leave them alone. Queen is doing good. She's laying. She's got room. You got brood. Got a bee. Ooh. So they're okay. We have pollen here. That there. That there. This up here. They have a beautiful day to be bees. That's them. We may have got some of our numbers mixed up on some of these hives here, but this is hive number 421. Queen hatched I found on October the 11th. She's laying. She has enough bees in there now to sustain the hive and take care of it through the winter. Up to this point, there'll be more bees in there. But this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, leave us a comment. Y'all have a great day.